Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting now. Verify your Pacifica key fob type and have a CR 2032 battery, small flathead screwdriver, and cloth. First, remove any cover or emergency key by sliding the release. Keep that key safe. Next, insert the screwdriver into the seam of the fob at the designated notch and twist gently to separate halves. Take care not to force it. Plastic clips can break. Once opened, set the two halves flat so the internals don't fall out. Now you'll swap the battery. Observe and memorize the orientation of the existing CR 2032. Positive side orientation matters for contact alignment. Use the small flathead to lift the old cell from its tray, prying from the tab side rather than bending contacts. Clean contact surfaces with a dry cloth if corroded. Gentle contact improves performance. Insert the new CR 2032 the same way the old one sat, pressing until it clicks or is flush. Make sure springs and plastic separators return to original positions before closing. To finish, align the two halves and press them together until you hear the clips engage. Make sure the emergency key slot lines up. First test lock and unlock from a few feet away, then try remote start or panic to confirm full function. If the fob doesn't respond, open it again and recheck battery orientation, clean contacts, and ensure batteries sit firmly. If problems persist, try a second new CR 2032 or consult dealer pro.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.